feeling overwhelmed, stressed, drained by the constant hum of modern life. We're surrounded by technology, concrete, and endless to-do lists. It's like we're running on empty, disconnected from our own power source. But what if the solution was right beneath your feet? Literally, what if you could plug back into the Earth's natural energy and recharge your body and mind? Welcome to Grounding for Beginners. You might have heard it called earthing, but the idea is simple and ancient, reconnecting your body directly with the earth. It's not some complicated wellness trend. It's about returning to a state that's natural for us. For thousands of years, humans walked, sat, and slept on the ground. We were constantly connected. Today, with rubber-soled shoes and high-rise buildings, we've insulated ourselves from the planet. This video is your friendly guide to rediscovering this powerful, free, and incredibly simple practice that could change the way you feel every single day. Let's get grounded. So, what's happening when we feel so disconnected? Think of our modern environment as a sea of artificial electromagnetic fields from our phones, Wi-Fi, all our electronics. This creates a kind of electrical noise in our bodies, contributing to stress and inflammation. We build up what's called a positive electrical charge, leaving us feeling agitated, tired, and out of balance. We've essentially unplugged ourselves from the greatest source of balancing energy there is, the Earth itself. Now, let's get into the simple science behind it. The Earth's surface holds a natural, subtle, negative electrical charge. It's constantly being replenished by lightning strikes and atmospheric pressure. Our bodies, on the other hand, especially when stressed, accumulate an excess of free radicals, which have a positive charge. These unstable molecules are linked to inflammation, pain, and aging. When you make direct skin contact with the ground like walking barefoot on grass, dirt, or sand, an amazing thing happens. The Earth's free electrons flow into your body. It's a transfer of energy. These electrons are natural antioxidants that neutralize the positively charged free radicals. Imagine pouring water on a fire. That's what grounding does to inflammation at a cellular level. It's a simple, biological process of equalization. Your body absorbs the Earth's balancing energy, helping to restore its natural electrical state. This isn't just a theory, it's a tangible connection. When your bare feet touch the cool, damp earth, or your hands trail through the sand, you're not just feeling a texture. You are creating an electrical circuit with the planet. This direct contact allows your body to sync up with the Earth's natural rhythm, its natural frequency. For so long, we viewed ourselves as separate from nature, something to be observed from a distance. But we are a part of it. Grounding is the act of remembering that it's closing the loop, re-establishing a bond that was never meant to be broken. This physical connection helps to calm your nervous system, shifting you from that stressed fight-or-flight state into a more relaxed rest and digest state. It's a profound, peaceful feeling of coming home to your own body and to the world around you. You are literally plugging into a planet-sized battery of healing, calming energy, ready to try it. It's incredibly easy. Here is your simple 5-step guide to your first grounding session. First, find your spot. This doesn't have to be a remote wilderness. It can be your backyard, a local park, or even a nearby beach. The key is to find a patch of natural ground grass, dirt, sand, or even unsealed rock. Just make sure it's a safe and clean area. Second, go barefoot. This is the most important step. Take off your shoes and socks. Modern shoes, with their rubber or plastic soles, are electrical insulators. They block the flow of electrons from the earth. You need that direct skin-to-ground contact for the magic to happen. Third, give it time. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You don't have to just stand there. You can sit in a chair with your feet on the grass, read a book, meditate, or just relax. The longer you can stay connected, the more profound the effects will be. Think of it as charging a battery. It takes a little bit of time. Fourth, be present. While you're grounding, try to be mindful. Pay attention to the sensations. Feel the texture of the grass or sand under your feet. Notice the temperature. Take a few deep breaths and let go of the day's stress. This doubles the benefit, combining the physical act of grounding with the mental practice of mindfulness. And fifth, consistency is key. Like any healthy habit, the benefits of grounding build up over time. Try to make it a regular practice. Aim for 3 or 4 times a week, or even a little bit every day if you can. It's your daily dose of nature's medicine. So what can you expect? People who practice grounding regularly report some amazing benefits: deeper, more restful sleep, reduced chronic pain and inflammation, lower stress and anxiety, and a boost in energy and overall mood. And a quick tip on what to avoid: grounding doesn't work on surfaces like asphalt, concrete, or wood decks, as they insulate you from the Earth's energy. Stick to the good stuff: grass, soil, and sand. We've become so disconnected, but the path back to balance is simple, natural, and right outside your door. It costs nothing, and it asks for nothing but a little of your time. I challenge you to try it. Kick off your shoes, find a patch of earth, and just be. See how you feel. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple ways to improve your well-being. Let me know in the comments when you've had your first grounding session. Thanks for watching. For the full guide and more tips, please visit humanbodygrounding.com.